So today I am finishing my table that I have been working on, and it has been a 2-month project, but there's been a lot of things that have happened in between that has kind of slowed me down. And I know some of it kind of sad. I know. You're a good boy. Thank you for your support. But anyway, so today we're going to finish the cushions. I'm so excited to show you the fabric. So this is the fabric that I picked out. And very soon I will have it. Here, I'll take you in here and I will show you my table. I will have cushions on my chairs. So I am so excited about getting this finished because I'm tired of looking at, I was tired of looking at a bare room, and now I'm tired of looking at chairs that have no cushions. And Maximus feels the same way. He's my producer, and he thinks it's dreadful. Actually, he just wants a snack. But anyway, so we're gonna finish this up, and I'm so excited, and I'll show you the finished project. But I know this is a little deviation from a normal Sweet Uniquities video, but I'm just so excited to finish this and share it with you guys. So hope you like it. It all started with a Facebook Marketplace ad, and when I saw it, I knew I had to have it because it was $275, and I knew I could make it awesome. So my head of security is checking out the chairs now to make sure they are safe structurally. What do you think, Truman? He gives them a thumbs up, for sure. But there is a lot of work for Sweet Uniquities to do here. As you can see, there's a lot of redoing to be done. And oh gosh, these cushions, they're a hot mess, but gonna have to reupholster those. But for the money, thanks for Facebook Marketplace, I think we have a great deal. I'm so excited. We toted everything to the garage and the project began. I just loved the shape of the base of the table, and with some sanding and some patience and a lot of time, it was quite the project for me. It turned into a beautiful dining room set. I used 2 shades of Waverly chalk paint from Walmart and created this beautiful shade of kind of a beigey gray. And then I used white for the background on the mesh. For the top of the table, I painted it a color called Fired Earth. It is my favorite by far color. It's kind of an espresso color. Just love it. I conned Mr. Uniquities, my daughter, and of course my head accountant, Charlie, there on the chair, into putting all the crystals on my new chandelier. So here's how it turned out. I love the chandelier. It's so sparkly, and oh, those crystals, I love them. The table, honestly, I'm proud of myself because I took a chance. I did something I've never done, completely out of my comfort zone. I bought off Facebook Marketplace a table with 6 chairs and 2 leaves for $275. And I recreated it into something that fit my space in the right colors. And I'm just I'm really proud of myself. The total project cost less than $400 for the table and the fabric. So definitely a great value for what I got. So don't tell Mr. Uniquities, but now I need a rug and I need to figure out what to do with the rest of the furniture in this room, but that'll be the fun part. I hope you enjoy this project. I will link everything down below to try to help you, but have a sweet and unique day. I hope you'll consider coming back and seeing my next video. The best way to do that is to hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss any future content. So Merry Christmas and happy crafting. See you soon.